This area is for winter greenhouse and the largest area in Korea. As you see, this area, this is rice paddies. All of this area, they grow rice and then put these frames and make potato field, and then they take them out and then they put water and make rice paddies. So they have to assemble, disassemble all of these frames for next year. So it takes a lot of effort and money. And this year weather has been very cold, and now it's also very hot. Inside is very hot. So you can see the end. In the middle part normally temperature is higher. In the both sides of the gate, there were wind comes in, so cool wind, so it's less temperature. It's okay in the front, as you see. The father, you're gonna see another batch greenhouse. You can see outside like this. Yeah, this area has more severe problem of heat, and normally in outside is they have a cold shock. In the middle side is hot shock. So this is very tough time for plant, because the price in the market very expensive. So that's why they are willing to. Yeah, you can see here left side, left side. I think it's more cold shock. In the middle part is heat shock. Also, it depending on the varieties, and potato variety in this area, mostly and Dano and Tongil. Tongil is a Happy King, of course my variety, and also Arang. So there are three varieties mainly being grown in this area. Depending on variety, they also show similar symptoms of the severeness of heat shock. So Tongil this year doing pretty good actually compared to other varieties. 예. 여기는 김제 광활면의 하우스 감자 주산지입니다. 여기 품종이 통일은 아닌데요. 이렇게 올해 더워서 중간 두 라인은 더워서 피해 본 거고, 양쪽은 추워서 피해 본 거고, 그래서 올해 추위와 더위가 계속 심하다 보니까 올해 김제 감자 작황은 속지 않습니다. 그리고 감자가 이 정도 상태에서 멈춰버리거든요. 저렇게 심하게 피해를 보게 되면은 감자가 더 이상 성장하지 않기 때문에 총 수량에 영향을 미칠 수 있다.